video here. So today I'm giving you guys 5 tips on how to save your edges from frontals. No, I'm not wearing a frontal. This is actually a closure wig that I'm wearing. I just put it in a half up, half down style. So this is not a frontal. I know you're probably wondering, like, sis, is that a frontal? It's not a frontal. I'm gonna show you guys how to install the frontal in a way that kind of protects your edges, and I'm also going to show you guys how to take off your frontal in a way that still protects your edges. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. As also, like this video, thumbs up this video, okay guys, and comment down below what video ideas you want me to do. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Why your frontal is damaging your edges, because you're probably applying the wrong type of glue. Everywhere you go online, on YouTube, on Instagram, and everywhere, you see people using Got2b glue, and that's literally the only glue I use for my frontal. That's the only glue I've ever used, so that's the only glue I can speak of. I see a bunch of glues, gels, hair gel, adhesives. I see a bunch of stuff everywhere. Make sure you're doing the right research and make sure that whatever you're using works for your edges. You have to be careful what type of glue you use. So the second thing is you're probably applying your adhesive the wrong way. Like, I see so many people make mistakes when they're applying their glue. The first thing you want to do when you're applying your frontal is you want to make sure that your hair, all your edges, like your actual edges, is sleeked back, and make sure that you are applying the glue on your actual forehead, right? As close to your hairline as possible, but not directly on your hairline, not on your edges. The third reason is you are applying too much glue. Too much glue, guys. The first time you're laying your frontal, right? The first step, apply a little bit, just like a thin layer of glue around your hairline, right? Apply a thin layer like you see in this clip. Let it get tacky, and then you can apply another thin layer of second application. Don't just take the glue and slap it on your forehead, because it's gonna really make the frontal damage your edges. Reason why you are losing your edges is in the removal of the frontal. At the end of the night, you know, you're tired, you just want to get this wig off your head. You take your wig and you literally just throw it off. Like, you can do that with closures, you can do that with like wigs that have like headbands and stuff like that. But sis, do not do that with a frontal that you have glued down. Do not just take your frontal and snatch it off your head. Make sure you're careful when you're removing your frontal. The proper way to remove a frontal is what I'm going to show. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some water. So take some water, spray your edges, let it sit there for a bit. Don't spray the water and take it off. Like, it's still not good to be taken off. Spray the water, let it sit for about 1 or 2 minutes so that it softens and loosens the glue. And then use your hands to massage the glue off of your head. Like, kind of like use your hands to massage the water to make it moist. Use that to kind of massage the frontal off of your head. Carefully, guys. Okay? And also, when you are reapplying the frontal, make sure that you clean your frontal, because there's residues and there's stuff on the frontal. And what happens is, if you take the frontal and reapply it again, everything there is rubbing against your edges. Don't just take the frontal and just like take it off of your head, because you're gonna lose your edges. Tips that has helped me in just removing my frontal and still keeping my edges, and I decided to share them. I'm sure that you guys already know some of this stuff, but they're just basic stuff, but I just thought, you know, to come on here and share with you guys. It might be helpful to 1 or 2 people, and that is, you know, more than enough for me. As always, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video, and I'll be coming to you guys with more helpful videos like this, like more tips and tricks of, you know, dealing with your hair, your skin, you know, all that stuff. So if you want to see more of that, please hit that subscribe button on this channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.